In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your GitHub account by blocking users when necessary. This is a helpful feature to maintain a safe and productive environment in your GitHub space. Let's walk through the process together, so you'll know exactly how to do it with confidence. First, let's start by heading over to your GitHub dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small icon there, which represents your profile. Give that icon a click. It's your gateway to accessing many of your account settings and preferences. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you into the more detailed settings of your account, where you can customize various aspects to better suit your personal or professional needs. Once you're in the settings area, you'll see a series of options on the left side of the screen. Now, this is an important part of the process, so pay close attention. Make sure you locate the section that is labeled Moderation. Click on Moderation so it expands to reveal more options beneath it. From the list that appears, look for Blocked Users and click on it. This will direct you to the page where you can manage the users you wish to block. It's a handy feature if you need to keep certain interactions off your GitHub account for any reason. Now that you're on the Blocked Users page, you'll see an interface where you can input information about the person you'd like to block. You have the flexibility to enter either a username, a full name, or even an email address. This gives you several ways to ensure you've selected the right individual. Once you've entered the necessary information and are confident about your selection, simply look to the right of where you've typed. You'll see an option to Block User. Clicking this will finalize the action and effectively block the user from your GitHub account. That's it. You've now learned how to block a user on GitHub efficiently. By taking this action, you ensure your account remains a space where you can focus on productive, positive collaborations. Feel free to take your time with each step to make sure everything is just as you want it. And remember, moderation tools like these are there to help create a better experience for you and your projects on GitHub. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful.